So guys, welcome back to this channel. So I want to show you guys how to change your username on YouTube. So once you open your YouTube, log into your YouTube, as you can see I'm already logged in. So come to your top right, click your icon. You see an icon showing your picture, showing your face there. In the picture you use as your profile picture there, so you click on it. You come to YouTube Studio here, so you click on YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio here, then you allow it to load. So when it opens, you come to this left hand side, you see customization here. Click on customization. You come to basic info here. So as you can see, my name here is Great Imagery and I want to change it. Then my handle, this is my handle, so I want to change it. So all you need to do is clear it and give it a name of your choice. As you can see, I want to rename this. Handle can only contain letters, numbers, periods. So let's see how that goes. Okay, as you can see, the name here is available. So if it's not available, you can see this handle isn't available. It's available, so I'll change the name. I'll change the name here too to sorry about that. You can come here and change your bio. So I'll put that's all. You can add your email. Let's contact you for business. So that's it. How about I try a name like this? Okay, it's available. Great Digital World. Okay, how about Great? Isn't available. Okay, I think I'll go with this. So once you're done, you come here, you publish it. Click on publish. Okay, it's done. As you can see, the name has changed over here. So account, as you can see here, the name has changed. So that is it guys on how to change your username on YouTube.